This video will show you how to gold brush plate on silver using Spa Plating's equipment and plating solutions. Brush plating gold onto silver is one of the most straightforward gold plating processes and is therefore an excellent introduction to the process of brush plating. The video demonstrates gold plating a piece of sterling silver which has been textured with different grades of sandpaper to give it a scratch brushed finish. First of all, you'll need to set up your equipment. We'll be using one of our power rectifiers, a flat platinum electrode fitted with our flat swab, and a little of our gold brush plating solution poured into one of our flat beakers. If you want to plate to a specific thickness of gold, say for example 2.5 microns, which is the internationally accepted thickness for gold vermeil, then you can use our online plating calculator to help you achieve this. Just navigate to our main menu on our website at www.golden.co.uk, click on Plating Calculators and select the plating solution that you're using. In this case, choose the brush or pen plating calculator and select Gold Brush Plating Solution. Enter in the surface area you intend to plate. In this instance, only one side of the silver plate, which has a surface of 49 centimeters squared, will be plated, so 49 is entered in. Then choose the thickness that you want to plate, and finally choose the swab you will be using. Press the Calculate button and displayed will be the amount of solution you will need, shown in milliliters, and the time it will take to plate to your required thickness. In this case, to achieve a thickness of 2.5 microns of gold plate, using a flat swab with a surface area of 49 centimeters squared, we will need about 35 milliliters of gold solution, and will need to plate for about 15 minutes. So, to set up your plating equipment, plug the black and red leads into the corresponding sockets on the rectifier, and then wet the swab and squeeze out the excess water. You can then slip the swab onto the flat electrode and plug the other end of the red lead into the port at the end of the electrode. Fit the crocodile clip to the other end of the black lead and grip the conductor strip in the clip. The conductor strip avoids the danger of scratching your work with the stainless steel crocodile clip. The next stage is to prepare the surface of your work for plating. Squeeze out some of our MPU onto a clean paper tissue and rub the whole surface evenly. Spa Plating's MPU cleans and activates all in one and has been developed specifically for our plating process. Don't let the MPU dry out completely and then rinse it off while still rubbing with the tissue under the running water. If your work is perfectly clean and ready for plating, any water flowing over the surface will run off smoothly in one complete sheet and not gather up into rivulets and droplets. This means it is water break free and a perfectly clean and activated surface for plating. The correct voltage level for all of our plating solutions can be found on the side of the bottle. The voltage range for gold brush plating solution is 3 to 5 volts. So in this instance, we'll start off at the minimum level of 3 volts. Dip the swab into the gold plating solution, making sure the swab is thoroughly soaked. Hold the work with the conductor strip touching a part of the surface. Start plating by brushing the swab over the surface of your work with regular circular movements. Try to make sure the whole of the swab is in contact with the surface of your work and don't rest the swab against the surface without moving, as this will result in patchiness of plate. Keep moving over the whole of the surface, building up a thickness evenly, and keep plating until the plating time is up, in this case about 15 minutes. Once plated, rinse off the excess plating solution, dry and finish with either our Metaseal, if the surface you've been plating is polished and smooth, or in this case finish with MPU Fine. Thank you for watching, and to see more videos, please follow the links on our website at www.golden.co.uk.